The South Carolinian waterways are famous for being the home to over 170 bottlenose dolphins that live here all year round. Hilton Head is one of the best places in the world to observe these dolphins in their natural habitat, swimming together and feeding. On this 75-minute boat journey through the low-country salt marshes, our captains will endeavor to find dolphins and local wildlife for you to observe and photograph. Binoculars for children are provided, and our guides will educate you on the best practices for viewing the local wildlife. Book now online through our website, mermaidofhiltonhead.com.